Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider joining my YouTube family and press that subscribe button down below and the notification bell next to it so that you are notified when I put new content out on Sundays and Thursdays every week regarding luxe life and anything girly. So guys, today I was just about to head out, but I got this package from McCraft Leather Company. It's a company that I order from Etsy, and that's where I get my vaquetta straps from. And what I mean by that is this top handle from for my Noe BB, because it doesn't come with a top handle, came from this company. And I mean, guys, it still looks beautiful. It has a little stamp on there for them. Right there. So what I got for this one is an extender strap, or a different strap for my Boite Chapeau Souple that I unboxed recently. I wanted to share the many ways of how to wear this bag, and I want to show you guys. Hold on. Let's unbox it. So, as far as what I got some vaquetta straps from her. There's two in here. And I asked her to pick the darker color in her vaquetta. So it's still kind of lighter than what I have now for the Boite, because this is treated leather, but you can't really notice. This is the darkest that she had in her vaquetta supply. So what I got are the 26-inch double strap, because I want to use this as a backpack. Now, if you watch many YouTube videos out there, there are ways to use the current strap. Let's try this again. So if you watch other YouTube videos out there, there are ways, many ways to use the actual strap that comes with the Boite as a backpack. But I didn't want to do that. I tried to, and it looked funky to me, and I don't want to damage the strap. So I just got these straps because essentially at the end of the day, this will look better aesthetically. To go through a few things. The reason why I chose this bag out of the whole, all the bags that are available at Louis Vuitton is because, one, I love the shape, right? My husband calls it a banjo. So it's circular with that flat bottom. I don't have any bags of this shape, but I love the versatility of this bag. I can use it crossbody, which I'll show you later, top handle, and you can also use it as a backpack, which we will discuss also. This bag just kind of blends in with the rest of my collection. And the fact that it's also usable as a backpack helps me not look at the Palm Springs Mini or the Montsouris BB. So I'm really happy with this one. So let's get on with the mod shots and tell me guys what you think about them. For this first look, I am using just one of the two vaquetta handle straps from Etsy. For this next look, I am using the two straps that I purchased from Etsy. I would normally remove the luggage strap for this, but I wanted to just make it quicker for the video, so I kept it on there. As you can see with this straps, it looks much more aesthetically pleasing as a backpack. Now I'm using the Boite strap on its longest setting, and this is the perfect crossbody setting for me. You guys can adjust this if you want the right side to be the first setting and the left side to be the second setting. It really just depends on how you want to wear it. The next look is my favorite way of wearing this bag when I use the Boite strap, which is the shoulder strap. I don't even mind having the little tails dangling, as I think it adds a little bit more unique design to the bag. It looks perfect as a shoulder bag this way. This one is a little bit higher to crossbody, but like I said, you can make one side shorter. Keep one side to the third setting if that helps with your frame. And this is the third and shortest setting of the Boite strap. I usually loop it through the strap that holds it onto the other side so it's not dangling, because it is too long if you leave it dangling. And that makes a cute top handle and a short shoulder bag. So cute. For the next look, I am just hooking it on the gold hardware and not putting it through the straps on the side, because we are going to use the Boite strap as the backpack. So I put the backpack or the strap on the gold D-ring and secured it with the luggage strap. This is the short setting. Now this does not look terrible. It's kind of what I like to use the length that I would like for the backpack, but I don't want to damage my strap. The next way is to loop the D-ring and the strap of the Boite onto the luggage strap, so you get an extra 2 inches maybe in the length of the backpack. Now this, I feel like it's gonna damage your strap for the Boite, especially if your backpack is heavy. So I don't really want to use the setting. So guys, those are the mod shots. I hope they help. I got the 26 inches from McCraft Leather. I will link her Etsy store down below. And I believe she can customize it from 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 inches, depending on what you want. Now, you saw how this looks on me at 26 inches. I am 5'3", about size 2 up top and extra small. So I hope that helps. I like my crossbody a little bit higher, or my backpack a little bit higher, because I think it's a little bit cuter that way. But it's totally up to you. You guys can get like the longer inches so that it sits lower on your back. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit quick, but I wanted to share with you the versatility of this beautiful, beautiful bag. And also, if you like today's video, please leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it down below as well. As usual, guys, thank you for joining me today. If you're not subscribed yet, join my YouTube family, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you guys, and have a blessed day.